G'day everybody, it's Orney Borns and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies, but with a twist. These are going to be vegan chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, I said chocolate. Yeah, we're going to make chocolate cocoa cookies. Fun. Okay. Oh. Okay, I think the cookies are ready now. So grab my oven thingies. There we have it. Hello. I've got cookies. They're finished. I'm gonna plate them up. That's a good idea. Alright, got a plate. These spatula things. Yep. Ta-da! Wow, they look top quality. So, these are the cookies. I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit. And get a glass of almond milk or something. Anyway, let them cool down and we're back in about 10 minutes. Okay, so I have made 6 cookies and this is the taste test. First it's the brick. Ooh, it's nice because it's crispy on the outside. It's soft on the inside. Oh, I love that feeling. Oh my. Hang on. Ready? Taste test of cookie number 1. Mmm. You couldn't tell me that's vegan. Nope. Nope, it's definitely not vegan. It doesn't taste like it at all. Alright, now you can see me a bit better. So, yeah, well, thank you for watching. These were very fun to make. I think this is actually the first cookies I've ever made before. I've never made them in my life. But thank you for watching, and please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and go check out Tasty for their recipes, which is where I got this recipe from, and subscribe and put on notifications so you can see more videos. And special thanks to anyone who came from the Roomy official video. Catch you on the flip. Orney Borns out. That is so good. Crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside. That's what a cookie should taste like.